Today we're hosting a little Vuba training with the team at Ayers, and we have some dealers coming in from across the network.
So we have support works out from Nebraska, just helping us learn more about Vuba stone. So with that, we're doing the front walkway, then the front patio. And we're putting Poseidon on it to just dress it up and make it look great.
The training's fantastic. The guys are doing a really good job. They're super engaged, and I'm really impressed with how quickly they're catching on to finishing the Vuba.
So Vuba stone is a Spanish marble with a fine quartz, and then it uses a resin mix to overlay the concrete to essentially give almost a whole new layer that is just as strong but also flexible, but give you a whole new look to the concrete without having to replace it. So rather it's just deteriorating or just plain old concrete, you can make it look nice.
So the companies that came in for Vuba training, so we have Ayers hosting the training with us. We also have Sunshine from down in Florida. We have Dry Zone from up in Delaware, and we had Foamworks from over in Ohio.
At Ayers Basement Systems, we do the Vuba stone system. With that being said, we use poly-level foam to actually correct the concrete issues itself, and then we add the Vuba stone on top to give it that look and appeal that you want, but also that's strong enough that you can either walk or drive on it, so it'll be good for years to come, but also look beautiful. So another great benefit of Vuba stone is that it has a variety of different colors, actually 15 of them, and anything from your more standard concrete look to anything that could be exotic, from something red to even dark as like a Manhattan black. So just really whatever your taste is or what you're going for your home, it's customizable.
The road is endless. You can do almost about anything, so I'm really excited. Hopefully we can get out there and do some incredible stuff.